And God went on to say, let the waters swarm forth a swarm of living souls, and let flying creatures fly over the earth upon the face of the expanse. Listen closely, everyone. To let means to allow. To allow means to prevent not the process of the waters from swarming forth a swarm of living souls. To prevent not the process of the flying creatures from flying over the earth upon the face of the expanse. The waters swarming forth a swarm of living souls gives us that distinct description of the semen of man. Can you see it? Am I making any sense? Flying creatures are an illustration of the woman's reproductive organs. The uterus, fallopian tubes, and/or the ovaries have that old beautiful appearance of a bird. Flying over the earth upon the face of the expanse illustrates the journey of the ovum and/or the earth, traveling the distance of the fallopian tube and nesting upon the face of the expanse of the woman's womb. Can you see it?